Welcome to the Tenergy channel. Today we'll show you how to replace your AirTag's battery. You can check the battery's power by clicking on the Find My app. Select the AirTag you want to check, and here you can see its battery level. If you see the bar turning red, it's time to replace the battery. To replace the battery, you'll need to place the AirTag with the logo facing towards you. Press down and rotate it counterclockwise until it stops. Let go of your finger and the cover will pop up. You can see the battery here. Remove it. It's a CR2032 button top battery, so replacement battery must be the same size. I'll use the Tenergy CR2032 battery for this video. Insert the battery in here and remember the positive side should face up towards you. Then put the cover back on the same way you opened it. When pressing the cover down, the AirTag will play a sound letting you know the battery is connected and working. Now rotate it clockwise until it stops. That's it for replacing the battery. Now all you need to do is reconnect the phone by placing the AirTag next to your phone and selecting it. If you check the battery level, it should now show 100%, like this. Thanks for watching. If you find the video helpful, please like and subscribe to see more content like this. We'll see you next time.